inside. Let's see what... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now it's actually pretty late and I look super oily and I'm just realizing that. Anyway, I've been waiting for my shipment to come in from Pawz. I actually bought 4 t-shirts, a mystery bag, which I have no idea what they put in there, and a mystery stocking. So again, I don't know what they put in there. I've tried to find out, like watching other YouTube videos, see if anyone else has posted what they have gotten in their mystery bag or stockings for Pawz.com. So today I finally got it. I've been waiting all day to do this video, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the package. I don't know how, but they managed to fit the entire bag inside the mailbox. So yeah, there's that. Brand new. Okay, so first let's go over the shirts that I got. So I got one long sleeve. By the way, also Pawz, they kind of have expensive stuff, so that's why I kind of went on the cheaper side. Anything that was $20 or under, I went ahead and purchased, and just so I could manage getting the free. I bought the stocking for $22, the mystery stocking, but with my purchase coming up to $100 or more, it ended up giving me the free mystery tote bag. So yeah, that's how I got the deal. So this is a long sleeve, and I just dropped one of my coloring pencils. Ah! Okay, I'm too excited. So this is a plain long sleeve in the front with a little Pawz logo, and then in the back we have this little design with a wolf, or it's a dog, but it looks like a wolf. You know how they, a wolf. Wait, yeah, I did say that right. What the heck? Why does it sound wrong? Yeah, a wolf. A wolf. Wolf. Anyway, I'm psycho. So yeah, this is Save the Dogs, and it has another little Pawz logo. This low-key reminds me of Russ, so yeah, I had to get this. And I don't have any long sleeves, to be honest. I don't like long sleeves, but right now it's actually pretty cold, so I decided why not. So there is that. The other t-shirt I got is this cute little light pink one. So in the front, again, you always have the the Pawz logo on the left, and then in the back it is this cute design. I think this is so cute. Yes, 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 yes. I'm excited. More t-shirts. Oh, oh, maybe that was part of the bag. Hold on, I'll get into that right now. And then I got this other shirt. This is like a mint color with the light green. Again, Pawz logo, and then we have this with, I think it's pineapples. Yeah, pineapples and little hearts. And again, that is super cute. I love the color. And lastly, we have the same shirt but in blue. So you got the Pawz logo, and then in the back you have your, what did I call it? Your pineapples. And I believe I got all size smalls. Yeah, so they're pretty big t-shirts anyway, so the size small does great. But yeah, so let's get into the mystery. Okay, my bad. My mom needed me. She's showering. That's why that's having a loud noise in the background. Anyway, so I think we're gonna start with the mystery. What is it called? Stocking. So yeah, here it is. Is this a cat or a bunny? I think it's a cat. Okay, so this is the stocking, and inside, let's see what we have. What is this? So how many items? Oh my god, this is so much. Okay, so I think we have 4 items. 5 items. We have 5 items. Okay, so first of all, let's get in here and see what this is. I think it's a pair of sunglasses. Pawz logo. Oh, there's some cute little sunglasses. This is so cute. Oh my god, yes! I don't have any sunglasses, to be honest, because I don't really wear them because, I don't know, maybe it's something I can get into now that I have a fresh pair of Pawz. Again, it has the Pawz logo on the little side right there. Oh my gosh. These are like, cute. Cute, cute, cute. I really like these. So these are black and gold, by the way. And yeah, those are super cute. Okay, so I got sunglasses. And remember, this is only the stocking. I still have the bag to go through. So I got sunglasses. We have a little bracelet right here. Ah, this light is so bad. I'll drop a picture so you can see it. But we have that little bracelet that's cute too. And then we have a lanyard that has the Pawz logo all over it. And I would definitely use this. As a matter of fact, I have my keys right here. And I have a little balloon dog because I learned how to make the balloon dogs for being a clown for Halloween. And now I can just go ahead and add this on. Woohoo! Oh yeah, so cute. Okay, let's see what else I have. Oh my god, we have the best friends necklace and dog chain thing, like a charm for the dog collar. But the thing is, I have 2 dogs, so it's like I have to pick and choose. I might just give this to one of my friends that only has 1 dog. I don't know. We'll see. And this, what is this? Miles, is this another, what are they called? Bandana? Is this a bandana, Miles? I think it is. It's a bandana for the dogs. I think it is. So this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure you have to fold it in half. I think this is for the dogs. It has a little Pawz logo right here. I'll probably give this to Mia. If it's even meant for that, I'm confused. I'll double check online, but I think it is. So, that's all we had in the stocking. Let's go ahead and check out the mystery tote bag. Also, what I found in here just right now, a few minutes ago, is a dog paw sticker. I actually ordered some of these in my last purchase where I bought just like 2 shirts. But yeah, I don't have this one, and I really like their stickers to put on my mugs and stuff. Okay, so here is the tote. Full-time dog mom. That is so cute. Okay. Hopefully it's not exactly the same as the stuff that was in the other one. Guys, I think it's literally all the same stuff. Again, we have the bracelet, the lanyard, the Pawz charm and necklace. I'm assuming this is a, what the heck is it called? Bandana for the dogs. Well, on the bright side, I have 2 dogs, so I definitely could use that one. And let's see, these are the exact same glasses. They are. Wow, I'm kind of sad. I thought they were gonna be different things. It's okay. On the bright side, I have 2 of these now, so I can wear the necklace, and I can give both my dogs the charms. And I can give the other necklace to Andrew. Good idea. Best friends. Okay, so that is all I got from this haul. I guess you can call it a haul. I don't know. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can give these away to a friend. But yeah. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, so I'm actually editing the video right now, and I thought I would just show y'all the one of the freaking t-shirts that I have. So I just put it on right here. It has the Pawz logo, and then on the back, super cute, super comfy and everything. But yeah, I'll probably honestly turn this into a crop top, like just cut it right there. But yeah, we're all good here.